Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to restore deleted WhatsApp messages. If you're using WhatsApp and you want to restore your deleted WhatsApp messages, so let's see how can you do that. You just have to open your WhatsApp and here just select the backup. You must have to get the backup of your chats. So you just tap on three dots, then go for settings and here go for chats. Go for chat backup, and from here you can easily make a backup of your chats. But if you haven't any backup and you have deleted some messages, so let's see how can you recover that. There is no any official way to recover your deleted WhatsApp messages, but there is a simple trick with which you can easily read your deleted WhatsApp messages. So you just have to open your settings app. In settings, just go for notification option, then go for advanced setting, or you will get notification history option. Just go for that, and from here you must have to enable that settings. Once you have enabled, just open your WhatsApp, and here if you have any WhatsApp message, so after deleting you can check that message. Here you can see I have a WhatsApp message, and now just wait for it's deleted. You can see the message has been deleted, but I'm going to read that message. The message has been deleted and there is no any option to recover that message, but you just have to open your settings app, then go for notifications, go for advanced settings, and from here select notification history. Once you have that, you will get the message here. You can see that the person has been deleted that message, but I have the message in my settings. So that's how you can easily restore or recover your deleted WhatsApp messages. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.